Oh, this is just kind of a joke in my family, but when my wife pulls in the garage, she bangs the door against the wall and puts nicks in the sheetrock. And my son, Matt's in the sign business, working for Chandler Sign here in Dallas. So he made me a couple of signs. This is the town my wife's from in Oklahoma, and this is the town that I'm from in Oklahoma. So I'm going to put these on the wall in my garage so when she opens the car door, instead of putting holes in the sheetrock, she'll put dents in these signs. And I'm also figuring that when I get a few years older and I can't remember how to get to work and I don't know where it came from, I'll still have this sign on the wall and I'll know where my original hotel was.